So this is the beginning of spiritual education. Dehantra prapti. We have to change this body, transmigrate from this body to another body. That's a subtle way. But no university teaches how the soul is transferred from one body to another, what kind of body you are going to get next. There is no such science. But that is the real problem. Therefore, we have to hear from Krishna, Bhagavan, the Supreme, the person who can give you perfect knowledge. That is the process. If you really want knowledge, you have to hear from Krishna, and Krishna is so kind. He came personally. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata abhuttanam adharmasya tadatmanam sijama. He comes. He is so kind. He comes. He gives personally instruction, and he leaves the instruction recorded, just like Bhagavad Gita. This Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Krishna to Arjuna, and it was recorded by Sanjaya, by the grace of Vyasdev. And then Vyasdev put the conversation in the Mahabharata. Mahabharata means the history of greater India. That is Mahabharata. The whole planet is called Bharat, Bharatvarsha. And the history of the whole planet is called Mahabharata. In this Mahabharata, this Bhagavad Gita is set in for the knowledge of the all human beings. It is not meant for the Hindus, for the Indians, for the Brahmins, for the no. It is meant for everyone to take perfect knowledge from Krishna and be happy. If you want to become happy, actually, then Krishna's instruction you accept. We are already fallen. Now if you want to save ourselves from this fallen condition, take instruction from Krishna and do not try to deviate. Do not try to interpret in your own whimsical way, in a rascal way. Simply try to understand what Krishna says. That's all. Then your life will be perfect. Therefore Krishna says, try to understand this Bhagavad Gita in this process. What is that? Imam vivasati yugam praptavan ahamabhayam. I first of all spoke to the sun god Vivasa. Vivasa. The sun is there. Nobody knows what is there in the sun. The so-called scientist, philosopher. But there is possibility to talk with the sun god personally. That is possible. You can also go. You can also talk, provided you become qualified by Krishna's grace. Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he can go anywhere. It is not that because the fiery planet, sun planet is a fiery planet, the body there, the body is made of fire there. Just like here, the body is made of earth. Similarly, there are planets where the body is made of water. The body is made of fire, because these are the material elements. Bhumi, Rapo, Nalvo, Vayu. Either earth, water, fire, air, they are all material things. So, I may have got a suitable body to live in this material or this earthly planet. The fish has got a certain body to live in the water. You cannot live in the water. The fish cannot water on the land. That does not mean that it is impossible to live in the water. Similarly, because you cannot live in the fire, that does not mean for others it is impossible. This is foolishness. This is foolishness. The sun planet is there. It is made of fire. The bodies are so suitably made that those who have got this body, they can live there. Jasya prabha prabhavato jagadanna koti kotishu vasudhadi vibhuti bhinnam. Vibhuti. The atmosphere is different in every planet. Just like the atmosphere in the water is different from the land. But we know there are living entities within the water, on the land, on the air, within the earth, within the ether, everywhere there is sarvago. Therefore living entity is called sarvago. The body is differently made. The spirit soul is the same. Your spirit soul, my spirit soul is the same. But your body is called American body, my body is called Indian body. That is the difference. That you have got a different dress. I have got a different dress. Bhashangsi jinnani thal. The body is just like dress. So first spiritual knowledge is this, that I am not this body. Then the spiritual knowledge begins. Otherwise there is no possibility of spiritual knowledge. Jasyatma buddhi kunapeti dhatuke sadhik kalatra disu bhaumajjadu. One who is thinking this body, I am myself, he is the rascal animal. That's all. This rascal animalism going on all over the world. I am American, I am Indian, I am Brahmin, I am Kshatriya. This is rascal. You have to go above this. Then there is spiritual knowledge. That is bhakti yoga. Manchabhya vicharini bhakti yogena ja sevate sagunan samatitayitana brahma bhuyaya kalpa. Aham brahmasmi. This is required. So, in order to understand this yoga system, bhakti yoga, because only by bhakti yoga you can come to the spiritual platform. Aham brahmasmi. Nahang viprana, just Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Nahang viprana, Kshatriya, what is that sloka? I am not a Brahman, I am not a Kshatriya, I am not a Vaishya, I am not a Shudra, I am not a Brahmachari, I am not a Grihastha, I am not a Vanaprastha, because our Vedic civilization is based on Varna and Ashram. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu denied all these things. I do not belong to any other of this. Then what is your position? Gopi bhattu pada kamalayo, dasu dasanu dasu. I am eternally servant of the maintainer of the gopis, that means Krishna. And he preached, Jiver Sarupaya Nitta Krishna Das. That is our identification. We are eternal servant of Krishna. Therefore, these servants who have rebelled against Krishna, they have come to this material world. Therefore, to reclaim these servants, Krishna comes. And Krishna says, Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya cha duskitam dharma samasthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Krishna comes, he is so kind. So, let us take advantage of Krishna's coming here, leaving behind him this Bhagavad Gita, and read it perfectly and make your lives perfect. That is Krishna consciousness movement. It is not a bogus movement, it is most scientific movement. So, outside India, these European, American, they are taking advantage of it. Why not this Indian youth? What is the wrong there? This is not good. Let us join together. Start this Krishna consciousness movement very seriously and deliver this suffering humanity. That is our purpose. They are suffering for want of knowledge. Everything is there, complete, simply by mismanagement. Simply by it is being managed by the rogues and thieves. You become perfect in Krishna consciousness and take the management and make your life successful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.